Hello everyone. Welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, what is the proposed reduction in central funding for the Jal Jeevan Mission for the period 2024 to 2028? A. 10%, B. 20%, C. 46%, D. 30%. The correct answer is option C, 46%. The Expenditure Secretary-led panel recommended a 46% reduction in the centre's funding assistance to the Jal Jeevan Mission for the 4 years ending December 2028 amid concerns over inflated work contracts. Next question is, when is the NISAR satellite mission expected to be launched? A. July 2025, B. June 2025, C. June 2024, D. December 2025. The correct answer is option B, June 2025. The NISAR satellite mission is expected to be launched in June 2025 after facing some delays during the assembly and testing phases. Next question is, what is the size range of tardigrades, also known as water bears? A. 1 mm to 5 mm, B. 0.1 mm to 0.5 mm, C. 5 mm to 10 mm, D. 1 cm to 3 cm. The correct answer is option B, 0.1 mm to 0.5 mm. Tardigrades typically range from 0.1 mm to 0.5 mm in length, though some species may grow up to 1.3 mm. Next question is, according to the study, what percentage of Indian coal has low sulfur content, making FGD systems less critical? A. 20%, B. 50%, C. 92%, D. 75%. The correct answer is option C, 92%. The study found that 92% of Indian coal has low sulfur content, 0.3% to 0.5%, which reduces the need for flue gas desulfurization systems in most coal-fired plants. Next question is, which phenomenon is most likely to lead to loss of life in comparison to river floods in plains? A. Flash floods, B. Cloudbursts, C. River floods, D. Landslides. The correct answer is option A. Flash floods. Flash floods occur suddenly and can lead to loss of life due to their rapid onset, whereas river floods in plains tend to last longer and cause more property damage. Next question is, which initiative was recently launched by the Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences, ILBS? A. HEPRA, B. Hepatitis 2025, C. Liver Care, D. HEALED. The correct answer is option D, HEALED. HEALED, Healthy Liver Education and Alcohol-Associated Liver Disease Prevention, is a nationwide initiative launched by ILBS to address liver disease in India. Next question is, which country recently approved the creation of an AI-powered regulatory intelligence ecosystem for lawmaking? A. Saudi Arabia, B. United States, C. UAE, D. India. The correct answer is options UAE. The UAE cabinet approved the creation of an AI-powered integrated regulatory intelligence ecosystem to accelerate the legislative process and ensure more precise and agile lawmaking. Next question is, which major river basin in the Indian subcontinent recorded the highest snow persistence at plus 30.2% in 2015? A. Indus Basin, B. Brahmaputra Basin, C. Yangtze Basin, D. Ganga Basin. The correct answer is option D, Ganga Basin. The Ganga Basin recorded its highest snow persistence at plus 30.2% in 2015, but it dropped to a 23-year low of minus 24.1% in 2025, threatening early summer water flows. Next question is, which country is exploring ways to mine and leverage green cryptocurrencies using hydropower? A. India, B. China, C. Bhutan, D. Nepal. The correct answer is option C, Bhutan. Bhutan is exploring ways to mine green cryptocurrencies using its abundant hydropower resources to boost the economy and create jobs. Last question is, which two important Indian manuscripts were added to UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? A. Manuscripts of the Vedas and Mahabharata, B. Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra, C. Ramayana and Manusmriti, D. Upanishads and Arthashastra. The correct answer is option B, Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. The Bhagavad Gita and Bharat Muni Natya Shastra were added to UNESCO's Memory of the World Register, highlighting their cultural and philosophical significance. Now it's time for practice question. Which phenomenon caused by global warming contributes to the growth of toxic algae blooms? A. Ocean acidification. B. Upwelling. C. El Nino. D. Sea level rise. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.